Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus Pad Lite and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app right here. And now we are in the standard photo mode. The mode doesn't really matter, you can be on whichever mode you would like to. I also wanted to draw your attention to this grid line. I've applied it before I've started recording because I'd like to show you a visual evidence that the reset option will work. So this golden spiral should disappear. So now all we have to do is to tap on this three bars icon in the left corner, in the left side, and then tap on the settings. Right here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find restore defaults, and then tap on restore. And as you can see, we just automatically got back to the camera and the grid line, the spiral is not visible, which means that we just successfully reset all camera preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.